Hey guys, it's Simply Cynthia and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a simply wonderful day. I'm coming to you guys in comfort. I'm coming to you guys in headband, wig status, fluffiness, in all of its glory. And today I want, again, another chill video. Clothing hauls are great. However, I prefer to kind of mix it up a little bit, get back to my original roots. And today we are going to be opening up my BoxyCharm. So if you guys are interested to see what I got in my January of 2021 BoxyCharm box, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, so we are unboxing my BoxyCharm box, and I just want to give you guys a little bit of background information on this box. I like BoxyCharm, however, a few of my boxes I've been a little bit disappointed in them. Some of this stuff just didn't work for my skin tone, or I just had an abundance of the same variety of product. So what I ended up doing was canceling it for about 3-4 months. I canceled that box and I decided that since it's a new year, why not check it out and see if it's still worth it. So I'm assuming that this is my base box, because I did sign up for the BoxyCharm Premium as well. So as soon as I get that, I will get a review out for you guys. I wanted to see, have they changed things up and do their boxes still fit me? And if they don't, I'll be giving the product away to you guys. So it's a lose-win situation, but let's get into it. So the inside of the box looks like, and it comes with the BoxyCharm card, and the theme is fresh start. So I'm not gonna look at the card because I kind of want it to be a surprise. All right, so let's get the first product. So the first thing here, this is the Bali Balm. It's sweet orange and coconut lip balm. All right, let's open this up. Okay, and it comes in like this little green tube, and it says, in cold weather, massage the tube between your fingertips to soften the balm. This will make it easier to flow from the nozzle. Okay, but that didn't give me any information. Let me actually read the box here. Okay, so I might have to look at the card for that. It just says to rub it. Okay, so on the card, because we need more information. Okay, it says essential oil of sweet orange and coconut gives the lip balm its crisp tropical aroma, silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. So, do my lips look soft and supple? So I have the lip balm on. It feels nice. It does have a little bit of a mentholy feel to it. I guess over time we'll see what it does. It is a $33 product. I think that's kind of a lot for a lip balm, but I guess over time I'll let you guys know if it does anything different for me. Okay, so next product in the box, this is by Dr. Brandt, and it's a triple peptide eye cream, and this is the box that it comes in. And what does it say that it does? Okay, it says powered by Dr. Brandt's exclusive triple peptide complexion. This ultra rich formula glides on the skin to deliver rejuvenating properties for radiant, youthful looking eyes. Helps restore and replenish moisture, helps reduce puffiness and fade dark circles, helps diminish the appearance of lines, wrinkles, and helps recharge tired eyes, improves a more rested look. So I have tried the Dr. Brand Eye, their No More Baggage eye product, and I actually like that, especially on the days when I look super duper tired. That does work for me. This should be interesting to try. However, I'm gonna give this to my mom. I think she would really like this. I don't really have dark circles, at least not yet. Mine are more bags underneath my eyes due to lack of sleep, but it is, we'll see if this is a nice product. And this is retailed for $82 freaking dollars. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. So I think she'll definitely appreciate it. Next product. Okay, this is the Pharmacy Daily Green Oil-Free Moisturizer with Monterey and papaya, and it is a hydrating gel. I feel like they took more notes on my family members than they did on me because my sister is currently looking for a more hydrating moisturizer. Let's see, let me open it. I feel like I have a bunch of moisturizers right now that I'm currently working through, so I think she would. It smells really good. It actually smells just like the makeup melt that they came out with, and that one was really nice on the skin. Okay, and then I just put a little bit of it here. It's like a light green, and it actually dissolves into the skin. It honestly just feels like water, so that might be nice for her. I mean, you can't even see where I put it on my hand, so that's nice. It feels nice on the skin, and this pharmacy product is $38, so I'm sure if it works for her, she'll be definitely grateful for it. But this is definitely a nice product to have in the box. Right now I just don't need a lot of moisturizers, so I will keep that for her. Fourth product, this is kind of exciting actually. This is by Synth-ZONDNUNE London. I am actually a huge fan of Synth-ZONDNUNE London. I love their setting spray, the coconut with the niacinamide. I feel like they have really good products, but they're very underrated. Like, I don't see a lot of people talking about them. And they have their London Essential palette, and that has really pretty jewel tones in it. And again, I don't really hear people talking about it. So this is their Velvet palette, and it has a very slick matte finish to it and a kind of mirrored backing. Okay, these nails are doing me a huge disservice. Oh my gosh, why is this so tight? Jeez. Can we? Whew, okay. Oh, that's pretty. So this is what it looks like, the inside of it. That's actually really pretty. And what is it? It says the Velvet palette, but I don't get, does it feel velvety? Let's feel it. Okay, so maybe I think they're talking about the feel of the shadows. They're definitely very smooth and very pigmented. I don't like the name though. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm assuming they mean the texture of it, but it just, I don't know why, but it's really throwing me off. Okay, so I just watched a few of their shadows on my hand, and they look really good, and they glide it on really easily. So this might be a new favorite palette for me, just for my lid space and things like that. I don't get the name. I'm gonna be honest, I'm sure it's due to the texture of it. However, I feel like they could have named it something more appealing. Because velvet, I don't know. I would need to know the story behind it. I mean, the shades are absolutely beautiful. They're very smooth. I like them. I just don't care for the name. But again, the way they swatched on me, they look beautiful. And I am a huge fan of Synth-ZONDNUNE. So this one I will be keeping for myself. And this is a $30 palette, and it says create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics. I got that. Soft shimmers, I got that too, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formula delivers high pigment with super soft application. So because of the velvety smooth mattes, they named it the Velvet palette. But I don't know, I feel like the metallics and the shimmers do it for me. But actually, we got another, it looks like, palette. This is the Esmeralda 2 palette by Beauty Creations. I've never heard of them before, but this is what the outside of it looks like. I did change my profile though for more makeup. Oh my gosh, why can't I get it out? I thought I was just gonna slide. There we go. Okay. And this is what it looks like. It's definitely an interesting looking palette. Let's do some swatches for you guys. I've never heard of Beauty Creations before, so it must be like an indie brand. But the way these are swatching, I'm not even doing like a lot of digging or anything, and they are applying very beautifully. I want to show you guys what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. These are a couple of the different shades. I literally just swiped it once and you get a lot of pigment. These are more shimmers because that's really all I care about. I feel like you get so many mattes and other palettes that if a brand has a more banging, to say the least, if it has a more banging like metallic or shimmery shade, I would prefer to get that in a separate palette. We don't need all the mattes and stuff like that. I personally like shimmers, but I will definitely be keeping this because I do like the way these shimmers turned out, and they're still on my fingertips too, so that is definitely a good. All right, and I forgot to mention to you guys, so the Beauty Creation, that was $13.99, which is not bad for the pigment that you get. Again, it's all over my hands, so the pigment is gonna last, so it's not bad for $13.99. So we got our whole box here, and now it's time for me to rate this. So based off of the beauty profile that I did to kind of customize this from last time, I put in there that I specifically wanted more makeup, and I mean, they gave me two palettes, so that's different. I've never received two palettes in one BoxyCharm before, so that's pretty cool. And I definitely got the shimmers and the metallics that I was looking for, so I cannot complain at all whatsoever. But I did also get some good skincare products in here as well. They just won't work for me, but at least I can give them to somebody that it will work for. So overall, I think I would give this a 3 out of 5. And that's just because it's just because of the makeup palettes. Like, I really like the makeup palettes, but everything else is kind of like, how many times can you continue to get moisturizers and a BoxyCharm and be expected to use them? I'm still working on 2 moisturizers, one in the day and one in the night, that I got from a BoxyCharm. But I am super happy with the fact that I can give them away to people. The lip balm, it's a lip balm. I don't honestly think that lip balm is, nobody should be spending $33 on a lip balm. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't get it. And they doesn't give you, I mean, it just says silky smooth consistency, and that it has vitamin C, but it doesn't have like a plumping agent in it. It doesn't say that it's like medicated to reduce dryness in your lips or anything like that. So I'm paying $33 for a moisturizer for my lips. Carmex works just fine. Chapstick works just fine for me. I think that's a little bit excessive, just saying. But for the actual beauty products, I definitely like those palettes. I like them a lot. You will be seeing them on my channel, and I hope that my family members like the moisturizer and the eye cream. So if you guys like seeing my BoxyCharm unboxing videos, please leave me a like and a comment down below. Please subscribe if you have not already. What are you waiting for? And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful, simply wonderful evening, and bye guys.